Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yeah, good morning, sir.
In today class, we are going to discuss about introduction to Servicenow. Okay, what are the models in Servicenow? So why those models useful for? What are the generally what are the environments we will see in the real-time projects? So some useful links from the Servicenow authorized websites. Then we are going to see Servicenow versions. Okay. Then after we will go to Servicenow developer account options. Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, fine. So yesterday we have discussed about introduction. Okay. So just I will revise again. So why Servicenow? Servicenow is an integrated cloud solution which combines all these services in a single system of record. Okay. And it supports infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So basically, Servicenow is a cloud integrated system. Okay, cloud tool. We just use URL to access Servicenow. Okay, we don't require to install anything within our laptop or desktop or within our server to work with Servicenow. It's just URL to access URL. Okay. It will support infrastructure as a service. Yes. All installation related things, the location for installation and everything will take care by the cloud only. Even web servers, languages, databases, everything will be installed in the cloud only. That platform as a service. We are just using URL for accessing the service. So we are saying software as a service. Okay. Next, ServiceNow definition. ServiceNow is an IT management platform that allows organizations to manage all aspects of their IT infrastructure, including asset management, IT service management. So in the IT service management, we have incident management, problem management, and change management. CMDB, configuration management database, management of IT assets and devices. It also specializes in ITSM, ITOM, and ITBM. Okay. ServiceNow is an IT management platform that allows organizations to manage all aspects of their IT infrastructure, including asset management, service management, CMDB management of IT assets and devices. Okay. It also specializes in ITSM, ITOM, ITBM. Okay. So ServiceNow was founded in 2004 and it was invented by Fred Ludy. Okay. And the ServiceNow was stepped out into the market with the ITSM only, Okay. So the competitors for ServiceNow is like IBM, HP, Remedy, Jira. So these are the few competitors for Service. Okay. So basically, ServiceNow software, ServiceNow tool, okay, our ServiceNow platform was developed with Java technology, Apache Tomcat web server, and MySQL database. Okay. Yes. So till now, you have any queries? Please ask me. We'll discuss. Then I will go for modules. No, that's fine. Next. What are the modules in ServiceNow? What are the modules in ServiceNow? ITSM, Information Technology Service Management. ITOM, Information Technology Operational Management. ITBM, Information Technology Business Management. PPM, Project Portfolio Management. ITAM, Information Technology Asset Management. HRSD, Human Resource Service Delivery. GRC, Governance, Compliance and Risk. Performance Analytics. CSM, Customer Service Management. Security Operations. FSM, Field Service Management. Marketing, Sales. Okay, these are the few models in ServiceNow. Yes. So ITSM stands for Information Technology Service Management. By using ITSM, so if we get any issues, if the end users get any issues in the organization, we'll raise the tickets, we'll raise the issues. Okay. Then if the end user wants something from the organization, they will request a products or services. Okay. The end user want some information. Yes, they will read a knowledge articles. They will read a knowledge articles. Okay. Next to ITOM, Information Technology Operational Management. Information Technology Operational Management. With this module, we will discover the applications, devices, and softwares within our network. And we will pull those information to our CMDB tables. Okay, and here we'll take care of health of those applications and devices. Next, ITBM, Information Technology Business Management. So basically, ITBM should be used by the like management kind of team, project management kind of team. And this ITBM will take care of business management. So business management includes the project status, the budget of the projects, like project allocation. So whether the project is running green, red, yellow. Yes, this kind of things we'll discuss there. And financial matters of each and every project. Next, PPM, project portfolio. Yes, somebody is saying something. Yeah, Pawan, tell me.
Nothing, sir.
You can mute yourself then. So yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So PPM, Project Portfolio Management. Okay. So in the project portfolio management, we will discuss about the projects. So when to complete the project, whom to assign the project, how many resources we require for the project, and what is the project budget, and what is the project location. All these details we will discuss. Okay. Next, ITAM, Information Technology Asset Management. So with the ITAM, we'll discuss about the assets in our organization. So it may be laptops, desktops, buildings, maybe it may be goodwill, okay, intellectual property. So all these things we'll discuss in ITAM. Okay, next HRSD, human resources service delivery. Human resource service delivery. In the HRSD module, we will discuss about HR related tasks. Okay, HR related tasks. Next, GRC, governance, complaints, and risk. So, if we get any exceptions, so within our organization for the devices, for example, sometimes you will get, if it is a laptop, you will see some blue screen errors. If it is a printer, sometimes you will see some errors, will not print that. Okay, so if we get this kind of unexpected errors, so GRC, governance, complaints, and risk will take care of it. Performance analytics. Performance analytics will take care of advanced reporting and dashboards. Advanced reporting and dashboards. Okay. CSM, customer service management. CSM, customer service management. So basically, ITSM will helpful for the end users if they get any issues to raise their tickets. CSM will helpful for raising your tickets if the customers get any issues. Okay. Next, SecOps. SecOps, you can say security operations. In general, we will call it as SecOps. So SecOps will take care of security related things within our organization. Like here we have something like security incident. Okay, and we will discuss about some ACLs, some ACL restrictions and retentions of applications and data. Okay, next, FSM, field service management. Okay, yes, if the customer got an issue, sometimes we have to go for the customer's location. We have to resolve the issue. Okay, for that, FSM will helpful for us. Field service management. Okay, field service management. Next, marketing and sales, like getting projects, like giving advertisement for our products, our softwares. Okay, these will helpful for us. Marketing and sales. Okay. Any queries from these modules? So generally, ITSM is basic. And so if you are new to Servicenow, first of all, you have to learn ITSM. Then if you get opportunity to work with other modules in an organization, then you have to learn. Otherwise, not required as of now. Okay. Yes. And you can see, guys, so if we are saying HRSD, we are saying PPM, ITOM, ITVM. So basically, those are the functional. Even ITSM also functional. As a Servicenow developers, as we are a Servicenow developers, what we will do, whatever the module it is, what we will do configurations and development. We will do the configurations and development. For example, maybe your friends or your relatives, somebody working with HRSD, somebody working with CSM model. What they will say, I'm working with HRSD model, I'm working with CSM. What actually they will do in the HRSD and CSM? Okay, they will do the development and administration and development work on those modules. Okay. For example, in my current organization, I am working with GRC and SecOps models. In my current organization and my current project, I am working with GRC and SecOps models. Yes, what I will say, I'm working with GRC and SecOps model. Okay. Really, what I'm working for those modules? Yes, I'm working for application administration related works and development related works. Okay, whatever I worked for ITSM, same I will work for GRC and SecOps also. but the ITSM functionality is different, and those modules functionality is different. Definitely. So if we are working with some module, definitely we will understand a little bit about the process. Okay. Like that, we will work within the organization. Any queries from these modules, please let me know. Any queries?
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes. Good morning, Pawan Kumar.
Sir, I am new to this class today, sir.
Okay.
And my doubt is these modules you have told us, sir.
Yes.
In our classes, these all modules you will cover, sir.
So generally, we don't require all these modules. Okay. So
Okay,
we will cover ITSM module only.
only one module.
Yes, we will cover ITSM module only. Okay, and it should be a theory part, entire theory part for 1 week. Okay.
Okay, fine, sir, fine.
Yes. So
Yes.
if we are new to Servicenow,
Okay, sir.
the basic module you have to learn is ITSM. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Once you join into the organization,
yes, sir.
So if you have requirement to work on other modules, at that
Yes,
time you have to let, and they will provide the trainings. No worries about that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So without working knowledge on ITSM module, even if we learn other modules, I feel it's no use. Okay. Yes. So along with this ITSM, in our training sections, we are concentrating on administration and development. Okay. So administration and development for all the modules. Okay. Not only for ITS. Yes. Next. So these are the modules. Next. So if you go to any software, any application, any project, we have some environments. Like development environment. Next, testing, staging, UAT, temporary, production, QA. So, like we have many environments. Okay. So, for example, if you are working with some organization, maybe that organization contains development environment. Mandatorily, it will contains development environment. Mandatorily, it will contains production environment. Mandatorily, it will contains any one of these environments. Okay, guys, got it? Yes. So if we go to the any organization, you will see something like development environment, testing environment, production environment. Okay. So why we have to use these many environments? So if it is not only for service, so maybe if we are learning Salesforce, if we are learning D365, if we are learning something like MuleSoft, Telbumi, whatever it is, this is environments is common. Okay. So generally we work with at least minimum 3 environments. Okay. At least we will work with minimum 3 environments. Development, testing, and production. Okay. Once tasks or tickets is assigned to us, so we have to work on those tickets. Yes, we have to work on those tickets. So when the work is assigned to us, we will not develop that work directly in the live environment or production environment. Okay. So we will never directly done working with that particular ticket from the production environment. Okay. From the production environment, we'll never do the work directly. So if any work is assigned to you, first of all, you have to complete that work in the development environment. Okay. Then after, if your work is completed in the development environment, you have to move that work to the testing environment. You have to move that work to testing environment. Okay. Yes. Once testing people tested your function, your work, and if they certify that your work is good, then only you have to move your work to production environment. Everybody got it? Yes or no? Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Yes. Next. So how to identify whether the URL you are accessing is a production environment or testing environment or development environment? How to identify it? Yes. 1 minute, I will tell you. So yesterday we have created one Servicenow instance, right? For example, this is our Servicenow instance yesterday created. I'm copying this URL. So you can see every organization's Servicenow instance should be in this format only. https:// your instance name. So here I'm saying your instance name .servicenow.com. Okay. Yes. So you can say the production environment URL should be like this. The production environment URL should be like this. So I'm copying it. So I'm pasting here. If it is a development environment, at last we will add dev. If it is a testing environment, at last we will add test. Okay. If it is a UVAT, maybe they will add UVAT. Maybe a staging. If it is a QA, they will add QA. If it is a staging, they will add stage. Okay. Like if it is a testing, completed, waiting, staging, temporary. Is a temporary environment. They will add like this. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes or no? Okay, the environment URL should be like this. The environment URL should be like this. This is a standard format to identify your Servicenow instances. What is dev environment? What is test environment? And sometimes, guys, so maybe your instance name dev1, dev2, dev3, like that also it will be there. Okay, got it? Yes. So now I will show you some of the real-time organizations environments. Okay, for example, I want to see Cognizant's Servicenow instance. Okay, you can come here. You can come to this notepad. I'm copying first URL, for example. I'm copying first URL. And this one is fine. Okay, copying it. Your company name. For example, your instance name. Directly I'm giving company name. COGNIZANT. You can copy it. You can paste it here. You are able to see its Cognizant's instance. So you can see it is loading and it is redirecting to login page. Yes or no? Tell me, guys. Yes or no? Yes, please. Any queries here? No, that's fine. Guys, so if you are responding in the classes, if you are actively asking some questions in the classes,
It's
I will
clear,
be
sir.
happy.
Clear.
Okay. If you are silent, so I may confuse whether you are able to understand or not. Okay. Please try to respond throughout the sections. Yes. For example, I want to open some ICICI bank related instance, https://cici.service-now.com. Wow. ICICI. And some of the instances will not work outside. Okay, outside their environment. So you can see dev environment is opening here, but production environment is not opening. Okay, 1 minute. I say CI dev. So I'm saying login dot, then it will go to the login page. So you can see this is ICICI's development environment, guys. So the environments, the URLs, some of the company URLs only open within their environment, only opens within their environment. Okay, if URL is not opening here, you don't think that is wrong URL. Okay, so they have some security related checks for accessing the URL. Okay, so guys, if anybody already working, okay, if anybody already working, maybe you have idea. Sometimes we'll connect to the VDI virtual desktop or remote desktop, and we'll open our organization related URLs. Okay, got it? Yes. I will also copy this one. For example, I am showing all these instances. You don't require to open all these Servicenow instances. Okay. Next, for example, pro.service-now.com. Maybe I'm saying it is not available. It's okay. Next, Xerox. So you can see Xerox instance is redirected. Okay. So I will simply say login dot, then it will show login page. Now you can see. XCR. Now you can see. Now we are in Xerox companies related environment. Okay. For example, we can say here we can say Infosys, for example. Infosys. You can see. So now we are with Infosys. Okay. Maybe now I'm trying to access TCS. It's just format. How to identify the Servicenow instance of your organizations like that. TCS. You can see it should be like this. Maybe Deloitte, for example. It's just matter of changing company. One minute. Deloitte US, I hope. So you can see Deloitte US start service now. So if it is Deloitte, the instance should be like this. Okay, guys, got it? Everybody understand how the format of instance?
Yes, sir.
In real time. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next, I will open another one. IBM. So you can see this is IBM related. So I'm not opening all three environments. Okay. I'm just opening with the prod or dev environments. Okay. So like IBM dev or IBM dev one, like that the environment should be. Next. Ascension. No, it is not available. Maybe they contain some different name. Okay. Maybe JD Global. Global part. So you can see, yes, we are able to access this. It should be like this. Maybe AST. This is one instance. Maybe DHL, courier service, DHL, for example. Yeah. Okay, these are the few environments we have seen. Okay, these are the few environments we have seen. Okay, the ServiceNow instance format should be like this. Okay, if it is a dev, it should be a dev.service. Maybe you can see. I will try to open test environment. Maybe I'm saying something like test here. Please open test environment like this. Okay, got it, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you go to the documents, I just mentioned the formats, development environment format, https:// your service instance, dev.service-now.com. If it is a testing, test.service-now.com. If it is a prod, your company name .service-now.com. Okay. Yes. Next, I'm going to versions. Guys, here I will keep on hold for 2 minutes. So please read these version names. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to discuss about ServiceNow history or ServiceNow versions. Okay. All ServiceNow version names are the European countries names. You can say all ServiceNow version names are European country names mostly. Okay. Most of the ServiceNow version names are European country names. Next, the ServiceNow versions in alpha beta order. The ServiceNow versions are in alphabet order. And for every year, nowadays, for every year, ServiceNow will releasing 2 versions for every year. Okay. The current version of ServiceNow is Utah. The current version of ServiceNow is Utah. The current version of ServiceNow is Utah. Okay. And yes, here you can see the versions. So basically these versions are from the December 2011 onwards. Before also we have different ServiceNow versions, but we don't require to know about that. Okay. Yes. Aspen, Berlin, Calgary, Dublin, Eureka, Fuji, Geneva, Helsinki, Istanbul, Jakarta, Kingston, London, Madrid, New York, Orlando, Paris, Quebec, Rome, San Diego, Tokyo, Utah. Okay, these are the versions in ServiceNow. So, if any interviewer asks you question, what are the versions in ServiceNow? How to answer? So, A for Aspen, B for Berlin, C for Calgary, D for Dublin, E for Eureka, F for Fuji, G for Geneva, H for Helsinki, I for Istanbul, J for Jakarta, K for Kingston, L for London, M for Madrid, N for New York, O for Orlando, P for Paris, Q for Quebec, R for Rome, S for San Diego, T for Tokyo, U for Utah. Utah is the latest version. Okay, you have to answer like that. Okay, and the ServiceNow versions are in alpha beta order. You are easily identified, even if you forgot something. Okay, yes. E, for example, alphabet E. E for Eureka. Maybe alphabet T. T for Tokyo. Like that, you have to remember. Okay, based upon the alphabet. And so you can see the release years. So Aspen released in December 2011, Berlin released in July 2012, Calgary February 2013, like that. Every year, mostly 2 versions are releasing nowadays by ServiceNow. Okay. And maybe here you will expect one question. That is, what is the difference between all these versions? What is the difference between all these versions? Okay. Yes. If the ServiceNow is releasing new version, ServiceNow is releasing new version. Okay. It will come up with new applications, new plugins, new applications and new plugins. Okay. ServiceNow releasing new version. Then it will also update the existing applications if it is required. It will also update the existing applications if it is required. Got it? If ServiceNow is releasing new version, it will come up with some new functionalities like new applications and modifications in the existing functionalities or applications. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes. Always
Yes,
you
sir.
have to identify the latest version features only when the version is released. Okay. Then we don't require to compare between all these versions. Okay. If it is one version, yes, we can able to compare 1 or 2 versions. But it's difficult to, even if it's difficult to ask the question, the difference between all these versions. Okay. Nobody will expect the differences between all these versions. Okay. If they ask the question, you just say like this. ServiceNow is releasing new version. So it will come up with some new functionalities, new applications, new plugins, and it will modify the existing applications and functionalities. Okay, you can say like that. So you can say our current version is Utah. Next version is Vancouver and Washington. Okay, Vancouver and Washington. Next versions are. So any queries from this history, please let me know. Any queries from this history?
No.
Oh, that's fine. Next. So here I have mentioned some useful links. Okay. Community. So these all websites are Servicenow authorized websites. Here I have mentioned Servicenow authorized websites. Okay. Yes. What are those? For community, for Servicenow community, we have community.servicenow.com. For developer portal, developer.servicenow.com. For product documentation, docs.servicenow.com. For Servicenow app showcase, for apps in Servicenow, apps showcase.service-now.com. For product lab, so this is the URL. Okay, so next store, app store, store.service-now.com. Store.service-now.com. Next, ServiceNow developer meetup. So what is the ServiceNow developer meetup? So in every location, ServiceNow company conducts 1 or 2 developer meetups in a year. 1 or 2 developer meetups in a year. Okay. So for the developer meetups, all ServiceNow developers will attend, and we will discuss about new things from the ServiceNow, and they will do some lunch and they will go out. Okay. Yes. Like that, we have ServiceNow snug groups also. We have ServiceNow snug groups. Along with these keywords, nowadays I have seen some more keyword related to ServiceNow, related people's gathering only for that also. I don't remember that keyword. Okay. Recent days I have seen, but I don't remember the keyword. As of now, we have ServiceNow developer program and ServiceNow snug groups. Okay. Next. So if you want to learn ServiceNow, what are the portals will help us? First one is Now Learning. https://nowlearning.service-now.com. Next one is Saba Cloud. servicenow.sabacloud.com. Okay, servicenow.sabacloud.com. These two websites will help us to learn something in ServiceNow. Okay. And here we have some useful YouTube channels I have mentioned. ServiceNow support, ServiceNow, Now Community, ServiceNow Dev Program. These are some YouTube channels authorized by ServiceNow. Some YouTube channels authorized by ServiceNow. Okay. Any queries from these useful links? Please let me know.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Yes, if we are responding, that is good. Next, yes, we have covered by ServiceNow. What is ServiceNow? Models in ServiceNow, environments and useful links and history. So next. So what are the questions we'll get from the introduction? What is ServiceNow? Why we need to use ServiceNow? What are the models in ServiceNow? What are the versions in ServiceNow? Okay, most of the questions should be like this from the introduction. Most of the questions should be like this from the introduction. So generally, when all these small questions will ask, if you attend the interview, they ask you some questions to you. You are not answering properly. Then they will try to check at least you have basics or not. Okay. At that time, they will ask these questions, these basic questions. Got it, everyone? Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is about ServiceNow introduction. In tomorrow's section, we will discuss about ServiceNow user interface. Okay. In tomorrow's section, we will discuss about ServiceNow user interface. Now, I'm navigating to ServiceNow instance. Now I'm navigating to ServiceNow instance. Okay. Yes. Yesterday we have created one ServiceNow instance, right? Yesterday I have created one ServiceNow instance. That instance URL should be like this: dev127450. You can see it is saying something. Your instance is hibernating. Your instance is hibernating. What it means? What it means? So generally, if you are not opened, if you are not opened your ServiceNow instance more than 20 hours, okay? If you are not opened your ServiceNow instance more than 12 hours, we can say more than 12 hours at 20 hours, your ServiceNow instance will go to the sleep mode. Your ServiceNow instance will go to the sleep mode. Got it, everyone? Yes. If you are not opened your ServiceNow instance for 12 hours, it will go to sleep mode. Okay? Yes. When the ServiceNow instance went to sleep mode, when the ServiceNow instance is went to sleep mode, you will get your instance is hibernating message. You will get your instance is hibernating message. Okay? Yes. Now, how to wake up that ServiceNow instance? You have to log into the ServiceNow instance. Then you easily wake up your ServiceNow instance. Now you can see. So not this is my ServiceNow instance. Now this is my latest ServiceNow instance mail ID. Okay. ServiceNow training 0105@gmail.com is my latest ServiceNow instance developer credentials. Yes. Next. I'm entering password. So guys, if you are creating ServiceNow developer portal account or ServiceNow instance, okay, everybody will keep the unique password, that is training@123. T is capital letter. Okay, T is capital letter. So in further classes, I required our ServiceNow instances. Okay, at that time it will helpful for us. And even if you have any queries from your ServiceNow instances, for accessing your instances from my side, it is easy. If it is a unique password for every instance. Okay. Now I'm signing in. Yes. Now you can see. You just need to sign into developer portal. You just need to sign into developer portal. Fraction of seconds or within 1 or 2 minutes, your instance will wake up. Here you can see the message, waking up instance. Okay, you can see here, waking up instance. Yes, you can wait for 1 minute. So your ServiceNow instance will be ready and it will wake up. I'm waiting for 1 minute here. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, please ask me. Yes, Pradeep.
Yes, sir. Yesterday I have created a new instance, but the password is not correct, sir.
Yeah, you have created your service.
Yes, service.
So you mean to say your ServiceNow instance password is wrong or your developer portal password is wrong?
No, ServiceNow, I have changing password, sir, but they are not taking. Yes, we have alternatives. Yes. Maybe in today class or tomorrow class, I will explain that. Okay. Okay. Yes. Thank you. So, if your password is not accepting for your ServiceNow instance, okay, you can come to the developer portal. Here you can see now itself I'm explaining. Here we have manage instance password. You can click here. You are able to see some password. You can copy and paste it there. Okay, you are able to log in. Got it, Pradeep? Have you tried this scenario?
Also tried, sir, but not accepted.
Okay, not accepting. Then
Okay.
we have to reset the password. Here we have link for reset the password.
Oh.
I think it's issue with the username.
Within the manage instance password only we have reset password option. Okay,
Oh,
there
oh.
we have to reset. Once this instance is wake up, I will show you that option as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. First one is your Servicenow instance will go to sleep mode if you are not use your Servicenow instance more than 12 hours. Okay. Next, second option. So if we are using your Servicenow instance, somewhere that Servicenow is hosted, somewhere in some location, that Servicenow application was installed. Yes or no? In the cloud itself, somewhere it was installed. Sometimes your instance goes to maintenance. Okay. Sometimes your instance goes to maintenance. Sometimes your instance goes to maintenance. At that time, we don't know how your instance will back. At that time, we don't know how your instance is back. You have to wait until you get your Servicenow instance back. Okay, you have to wait until your Servicenow instance is back. Okay, we don't have option to do from our end if your instance goes to maintenance. Okay, that means wherever your Servicenow instance is hosted, there some maintenance activity is going. Okay, some servers are down. Then you will get maintenance issue. Okay, this is second one. Next, third one. Yes, you have created your Servicenow instance. Perfect. Okay, maybe you went to some holiday trip for 10 days. You have created your Servicenow instance and maybe you went to some holiday trip for 10 days. Then what happens? Your Servicenow instance will go on. Your Servicenow instance will go on. You haven't opened your Servicenow instance within 10 days. Your Servicenow instance will not available. Okay, so you can see instances with no activity for the over 10 days will be climbed back into the portal or pool. Okay, instances with no activity for over 10 days will be climbed back into a pool. Got it? So if you haven't opened your Servicenow instance for 10 days, your instance will be gone. Got it? So here I have explained 3 use cases. I will note down here. First one is instance is hibernating. Second one is instance under maintenance. Third one is not available or gone. Okay. Yes. We have these 3 situations. If we haven't wake up your Servicenow instance for more than 12 hours, it will go to sleep mode. Sometimes you will get your instance is under maintenance. Some maintenance activity is going on where your Servicenow instance is hosted. Okay. We have to wait until your instance get back. Next, if you haven't done anything within the Servicenow instance for 10 days, your instance will go on. Okay. Yes. Any queries from these 3 use cases?
No, sir.
Okay. Next. So for example, I will also show you for some mail addresses, my instance is gone. Okay. I'm signing out.
I will try to sign in. Second, I'm trying to sign in. Wait. I have different ServiceNow instances with the different mail IDs. ServiceNow training 2018. Yes. I think this is available and it may be in sleep mode. Okay. Wait, I will check. If our instance is gone or it will be in sleep mode. No, the instance still available and it is in sleep mode. Okay, no problem. Maybe I will take another developer account. Sign in. One minute. I don't remember my mail addresses. Training 03 maybe. Next. Sign. So I can. Yes, now I'm signing with the ServiceNow training 03 mail address. Okay. Oh my God. This I haven't completed verification. So that's why it is showing like that. Maybe I will try to use another mail address instead of 03. Right. Developer.service. Signing in. Okay, yes. Okay, fine. So I haven't used that particular email, that particular account for multiple days. So that is asking for verification. Okay. I will get one email notification to my mail address and I have to verify it. Then we are able to log in into the developer portal. Okay. Yes. Next. I'm somewhat I'm getting history. Wait. Now I'm going to developer portal again, developer.servicenow.com. Okay. So I will explain you the options here. Instance options. I'm signing in again. Next. Now you can come here. First one is activate plugin. Okay. So basically in our ServiceNow instance, we have plugins is there. Okay. So plugins means additional features. Additional features. If you want that, by going to activate plugin, so you have to activate. Here you can see some discovery, activate, easy secure retry policy. Okay, we have to activate. These all are the plugins. We have some sample plugins. Now I'm not activating any plugins. I'm just showing. Okay, manage email properties. Yes. ServiceNow instances can send and receive emails. To enable or disable email sending and receiving, click to toggle. So if your instance want to send emails and receive emails, you have to enable this box. Okay, got it? You have to enable this one. Now I have enabled it. Next, release instance. For example, if you don't want this ServiceNow instance, okay, you have to select the reason. You just click on release instance. Okay, and your ServiceNow instance will go. Got it, everybody? Okay, so if you don't want this ServiceNow, if you don't want this ServiceNow instance, you can select the reason and you can click on the release instance. This instance will go. And if you want new ServiceNow instance again, yes, again
request instance button will appear here. Okay, you have to click on that request instance button. Again, the new ServiceNow instance will create for you. Okay, next, change user roles. So in the change user roles, it should be always admin. Okay, it should be always admin if you are a ServiceNow developer. Okay, yes. Next, remove demo data. Remove demo data. So while creating ServiceNow instance, along with the instance, we'll get some demo data. Along with ServiceNow instance, we'll get some demo data. If you want to remove that demo data, okay, you simply click on remove demo data. So whatever the data came up with ServiceNow instance installation, that data will remove. Okay. Next, manage instance password. Somebody asked, right? So my password is not working, something like that. Yes. First of all, you can check while logging with this password. If you are not able to log into your ServiceNow instance, then here we have reset instance password. When you click on the reset instance password, new credentials will generate and it will show here. Okay. You can log in, try using these credentials. Okay, after clicking on reset instance password. Okay, got it, everyone?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Next, reset and wipe instance. Okay, this will reset your instance to its out of box settings. You can see, yes. For example, till previous batch, I have used this ServiceNow instance. Okay. Dev 59207. Dev 59207. I have used till. Okay. I done many configurations for this instance. Okay. I done many things. Like I have created multiple instances. I have created clientscapes, business roles. Okay. I have created different applications within this instance. Okay. Now I want to reset all those things, and I need same instance like new instance. Okay, I want same instance ID, but I want to remove all my customizations. Got it? So if I want to remove all my customizations, then I have to select reset and wipe instance. Here you can see it is asking. Here you want new ServiceNow instance or you want to keep same ServiceNow instance ID. Yes, I'm saying keep same ServiceNow instance ID, but you can reset all my customizations. Then it will wipe the instance. That means it will remove the all customizations done by us. Okay. Yes. Next, upgrade instance. Our latest version is Utah. Okay, our latest version is Utah only. Then, for example, maybe in future, Vanker version will release. If you want to upgrade from your ServiceNow instance from Utah to Vanker, you have to select the version you are going to upgrade, and you can simply select the upgrade instance. Then ServiceNow itself will auto upgrade within 3 hours. Okay, got it, everyone?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah, view history. If you done something like password resets or plugin activations or instance resets, all information will be captured here. Okay? All information will be captured here. Okay. Yes, all information will be captured here. So these are the instance actions. Any queries from these instance actions, please let me know.
No.
Okay, fine. And when you click on start building, 1 minute, I'm closing my previous instance. When you click on start building, it will automatically redirect to our ServiceNow instance. If you have changed the password, it will not log in. Yesterday, I changed password to training@123, right? Yes. Now I'm logging it training@123. Or if you remember your instance ID, you can directly type your instance details here. Okay. Yes, it is opening. So for changing the password, we already discussed yesterday, and I will also show you the same screens today. So you can see if you want to change password for your ServiceNow instance, you can click on this profile icon. Okay, you can click on this profile icon. Then you can click on profile link. Then you can click on profile link. Okay. And here we have change password. Here we have change password link. You can click on change password. Here you can type your old password. My old password should be training@123, for example. Okay. Here you can provide your new password and confirm password and change the click on change password button. Then your password will automatically changed. Okay, this is change password screen. Next, if anybody not created your ServiceNow instance, then the steps should be like, you can type ServiceNow developer. Okay. 1 minute. First of all, I will log out from this developer account. You can type ServiceNow developer here. Okay. You can enter it. So first link saying that ServiceNow developers home. ServiceNow developers home. You can click on the ServiceNow developers home. Okay. So if you are new to this developer portal, you can click on sign up and start building. You can click on sign up and start building. Yes. It is redirecting to somewhere. It is redirecting to login page only. Then you have to click on get a ServiceNow ID. If you are new to this page, you have to enter all your details and you have to click on sign up. When you click on sign up, whatever the mail ID here you have given, for that mail ID, one verification link will appear. Okay. From your email address, you have to verify email. Okay. Once verification is completed, you are able to log into the ServiceNow developer account. Once you log into the ServiceNow developer account, it will ask 2 questions. First question is, do you code? Yes, you have to select yes option. Then after, what best describes you? Second question will ask what best describes you. Okay, you have to select. Other than other option, you have to select first 3 options: admin, designer, something. We have 3 options there. I don't remember exactly. So you have to select those 3 options. You can ignore about other. And you can click on finish setup. You can click on finish setup. Okay. Once you done these questions answering, so beside your profile here in this place particularly, okay, beside your profile, it will show you request instance button. Okay, you can click on request instance button. Your ServiceNow instance will automatically create within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, this is the procedure for creating a ServiceNow instance. If anybody still have developer, designer, and IT admin, still if we have confusions in creating your ServiceNow instances, so please watch my yesterday's video. I will provide. Okay, please watch my yesterday's video. I will provide it. So then you are easily able to create ServiceNow instance. Okay. Any queries from today's class?
No, sir.
Okay, no, fine. 1 minute. First of all, I will take attendance. I'm getting some noise. Please mute yourself. Okay, guys. And as of now, we have completed 3 classes. Okay, as of now, we have completed 3 classes. So we haven't done any demo, you can say. Okay, directly on May 1st onwards, we started the classes. Okay, yes. So if you are planning to continue, so please start completing the fee payment. Okay, if you are planning to continue the sections, so please start a fee payment. Okay, if you are not interested, yes, you're not required to join the classes from tomorrow. You're not required to join the classes from tomorrow. Okay, so I have received only few details. I have received only few mails from you guys. Okay, if you are planning to continue, so please send your details, your name, your email address, your phone number, your working status, your highest education qualification to my mail ID. My mail ID is servicenow training 2018 @gmail.com. Servicenow training 2018 @gmail.com. Okay, this is my my mail address. You have to forward your details. Then I'm able to provide daily class notes, daily class videos to your Google Drive. As of now, I'm uploading in YouTube. For next 2 days also, I will upload videos in YouTube only. From Monday onwards, I will upload videos only on Google Drive. Okay? Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's fine. So whoever not shared your details, now itself you can forward the email. So I think I have received only 4 to 5. Yes, I have received Muralidhar, Mickey, Lakshmi Sai, Shiva Kumar, Pradeep, Sai Ram, Ashok Chakravarti, Venugopal, Naresh Shetty, Ujjwal, Pavan. And only these users details I have received. So, I hope whoever sent the details on yesterday and day before yesterday, I already sent the videos. Okay. Today I will send you the class notes also to your mail addresses. Yes, I'm expecting your details on my mail. Okay. So you can note down this mail address. You can note down this mail address and you can send your details as soon as possible. So then I will share the videos and class notes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sending these details. Okay, guys. So then I'm stopping today's class here. Okay. Once we went to actual subject, I will keep the I will stay up to 7:20 a.m. Okay. Now it is not required. So I'm logging off. Yes, we'll meet tomorrow with user interface concept. Okay. Thank you all.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah.